What's going on, everybody? So I'm pretty sure I've already made a video on this topic, but we're going to go over why credit repair is dead and what the answer is. The future's here. Take advantage, get paid, get deletions. Let's go take a look at the whiteboard. Sorry about the glare, but it says credit repair is dead. So why is credit repair dead? One, there's too many scammers on social media ripping you off. Y'all listen to everything you see and read. If it looks good, if it sounds good, most consumers are attracted to it. And normally it's too good to be true and you just wind up losing a bunch of money. Two, the bureaus aren't playing by the rules. I'm sure you've already seen the stall email that Experian sends and the stall letter that TransUnion sends. It's all a game. Doesn't matter who's sending these letters in, guys. It's just them not wanting to do their job. It's all automated. Three, most consumers fall for scammers like Mr. Vietnam. But trust me when I say there's thousands of others doing the same exact thing as Mr. Vietnam. I promise you. They're right in front of you, clear as day. They just tell you what you want to hear to get you to sign up. But the future of credit repair is already here. The answer is pre-litigation credit repair, and Everything Credit now offers this service. There is nothing better than pre-litigation credit repair. All the work is done by experts with the guidance of attorneys. These people have tons and tons of time spent doing credit repair, even more than me. So have the attorneys. Decades and decades of experience. So nothing beats having attorneys on your side. Get paid $1,000 per violation and also have the account legally removed. Now, most credit repair companies can get you deletions. A lot of them are doing the illegal credit sweeps, and we all know that gets you nowhere. Of course, it gets you really, really fast results, but then everything just goes right back on the report. That's why pre-litigation credit repair is the future. These attorneys will fight hard to get you paid and get these accounts legally removed from your credit report. If y'all have any questions or concerns, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great day.